Ethiopia is one of the oldest nations in the world, with a history that dates back thousands of years. It is home to one of the earliest forms of writing, known as cuisine, which dates to the 5th century BC. Ethiopia is the only African country that was never colonized, maintaining its independence during the scramble for Africa. The country is known for its diverse cultures, with over 80 ethnic groups and languages spoken. Ethiopia follows a unique calendar that consists of 13 months, with 12 months of 30 days and a 13th month of 5 or 6 days. The Ethiopian New Year, called Enkudattash, is celebrated on September 11th or 12th, depending on the year. The country has its own time system, where the day starts at sunrise instead of at midnight. Ethiopia is famous for its coffee, often considered the birthplace of Arabica coffee. The coffee ceremony is an important social tradition in Ethiopia, involving roasting, grinding, and brewing coffee beans. Ethiopia is home to the rock-hewn churches of Lalibela, a UNESCO World Heritage Site carved from solid rock in the 12th century. The country has a diverse range of landscapes, from the high peaks of the Simien Mountains to the lowlands of the Danakil Depression. The Danakil Depression is one of the hottest places on Earth, with temperatures reaching up to 134 degrees Fahrenheit 56.7 degrees Celsius. Lake Tana is the largest lake in Ethiopia and is the source of the Blue Nile River. Ethiopia is one of the few countries in the world with a unique alphabet, with over 200 characters in the cuisine script. The country's main religion is Ethiopian Orthodox Christianity, which has been practiced for over 1,600 years. Ethiopia is also home to a significant number of Muslims, mainly in the eastern regions. The Kingdom of Aksum, located in modern-day Ethiopia, was one of the greatest civilizations of the ancient world and a major trading empire. Aksum was one of the first empires to adopt Christianity as the state religion in the 4th century. The Ethiopian flag features 3 horizontal stripes, green, yellow, and red, symbolizing hope, peace, and the blood of those who fought for freedom. The country has a rich cultural heritage, with unique music, dance, and art forms specific to different ethnic groups. Traditional Ethiopian cuisine includes staples like injera, fermented flatbread, and various spicy stews called wat. The country is known for its unique measurement of distance. It uses the Ethiopian mile, which is equivalent to approximately 1.24 miles. The Oromo people, the largest ethnic group in Ethiopia, make up about 34% of the population. Ethiopia is home to the ancient city of Harar, known as the City of Saints and a UNESCO World Heritage Site for its unique architecture and culture. The hyena man of Harar feeds wild hyenas in the evening, a tradition that draws tourists and locals alike. Ethiopia has a diverse wildlife population, including unique species like the Ethiopian wolf and the Gelada baboon. The country is home to the historic city of Gondar, known for its impressive castles and churches. Abyssinia, the ancient name for Ethiopia, is often used to refer to the country in historical texts. Ethiopia has 9 UNESCO World Heritage Sites, more than any other country in East Africa. The Great Ethiopian Renaissance Dam, when completed, will be one of the largest dams in Africa, aimed at providing electricity to millions. The Ethiopian highlands are called the roof of Africa due to their elevation and unique ecosystems. The country is known for its colorful festivals, such as Timkat, which celebrates the Epiphany. Ethiopia has a rich tradition of storytelling, with many oral tales passed down through generations. The country has one of the fastest growing economies in Africa, driven by agriculture and services. Ethiopia is also known for its significant archaeological sites, including the discovery of early hominid fossils like Lucy, Australopithecus afarensis. The Afar region is home to some of the world's oldest human remains, dating back more than 4 million years. Ethiopian women traditionally wear a beautiful garment known as a habesha chemise. The country has a significant diaspora, with millions of Ethiopians living abroad, particularly in the United States and Europe. Addis Ababa, the capital, is located at an altitude of 2,355 meters, 7,726 feet, making it one of the highest capital cities in the world. The city is often called the political capital of Africa due to the presence of the African Union headquarters. Ethiopia's national animal is the Ethiopian wolf, known for its distinct appearance and endangered status. The country boasts one of the world's longest rivers, the Nile, which flows through its territory. Ethiopia has a rich tradition of weaving, with colorful and intricate designs found in its textiles. The historic site of Aksum is renowned for its massive obelisks, ancient tombs, and archaeological treasures. The country participates in a variety of international sports, particularly athletics and marathon running. The Meskel Festival celebrates the finding of the true cross and is marked by a large bonfire. The famous Ethiopian dish doro wat is a spicy chicken stew often served during celebrations and holidays. Ethiopia has a sizable Jewish community known as the Beta Israel or Falasha, with traditions dating back centuries. The country has a unique legal system, composed of customary laws based on different ethnic groups. The 1974 revolution led to the overthrow of Emperor Haile Selassie and the establishment of a Marxist regime. Ethiopia is one of the few countries that uses a unique form of indigenous herbal medicine alongside modern medicine. The country is known for its colorful and diverse traditional dances, often performed during festivals and celebrations. The Simien Mountains are home to a rare species of plant called the giant lobelia, which can grow up to 10 meters tall. Ethiopia is one of the largest producers of honey in Africa, known for its unique flavors and varieties. The country has a global reputation for its excellent quality of khat, a stimulant plant chewed by many in East Africa. Many Ethiopian communities also practice traditional healing methods, which often involve spiritual and herbal components. The country's ancient churches are not just places of worship but also hold significant historical artifacts and manuscripts. Ethiopia has numerous natural hot springs and mineral waters, with some being considered therapeutic.